Okay na, direct?
Yeah.
Direct, saan ako titingin? Saan? Dito ba? Dito o dito sa taas?
Taas.
Sa taas. Hi there guys and gals, good evening to each every one of you. Shout out to each every one of you. Thank you Lord for all the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. To all my first viewers who never get... did I say that? Sorry. And to all my silent subscribers, rather. And to all my 10 lovely countries, hello, hello. Guys and gals, this could be my time to say about the movie. You know what? I didn't expect that I'm gonna like the movie because I don't like the poster. We haven't shown you guys the poster because the Vichara doesn't have the copy for that. Direct, are you sure about your shots?
Yeah.
Have you seen the church? All of us here
Yeah.
capturing the moment, and I don't. The way they have the picture, even though the title speaks for itself, happy for you and unhappy for you. So it's a double meaning, guys and gals. Happy or unhappy for you. And the poster is so simple. There's no filter. There's no kind of cinematic attack. You know what, guys? I'm being particular with the poster. And then I love the first 5 minutes of the movie because they establish the main characters and they emphasize what they are telling about the story, and they give the moment for the main two character actors. And it's not boring actually, the whole movie, and I didn't expect that that's the way they will give that kind of attack, the kind of feelings, the kind of how do you call the thing? The kind of it's an appreciation. The kind of the way I appreciate the movie. And I thought, guys and gals, when I first saw the poster in Manila, I'm expecting that this could be a flop because the last movie of Julia Barreto with Aga Mulak, I don't know, but I think it's not a box office hit compared to her previous, like Candy and whatever it is, I forgot. And what I really appreciate about this movie, because they shot in Naga, and since I'm also Bicolano, and they tackle about the food, the views, the shots, and other delicacies, the food, more on Bicolandia's pride, Bicolandia's, how do you call that thing? Bicolandia's, can you please help me, guys? Culture, yeah. But you know what? But I'm some kind of disappointed because I think the actors, especially you know what, guys and gals, the second lead actors and the third one knows how to speak in Bicolanos. So that's the reason why is it that that's the reason why here in Bicol they are watching for this movie because we can relate. Bicolanos relate about this movie, and I think also in Manila there are more Bicolanos in there than everywhere. They talk about they speak in Bicolanos languages, and to be fair with Julia and to be fair with Josh Garcia, they also speak in Bicol language, but it's very minimal. You can count it on your fingers, and it would be more great. It will be more a great impact if they did study our language and they how do you call that thing? They studied our language and they burned their eyebrows for them to learn how to speak in Bicol, and it will be as such a great clapping on my hands and other movie buffs, movie fanatics. So I think the next time they should have at least 2 actors to speak more fluently on Bicol. But I think they wouldn't do that because it will be such a outshining
the main characters if they got some actors outside the movie world or outside of their expectations or not included in the cast, that if they will have it, they would outshine Julia. And anyway, so that's my concern. The next time, why not get me also an actor to add flavor, to add more impact. So guys, are you having the right frame? Direct, very good. And you guys and gals, I suggest you can also watch for this one because it's a relatable one, and it's a story about being in love, um, being in love and being. Guys, can you please help me? Story about being in love and being cheated and about dreams and not being moving on. Keep on dwelling on the past and keep on expecting. I think you have to. So and I think that's really, and I really love the ending of the story. It's not really usual that the Star Cinema keep on doing that.
Yeah.
But I'm not gonna divulge, guys and girls, what I'm trying to say. You have to watch on it because I don't want to be a spoiler alert. And then the story also talks about cheating, about lying. So I didn't like the one of the main characters says that I didn't lie, I didn't cheat. But how come that the one I'm not gonna tell you if she or he. Why is it that this character having an affair with other one and then making sex or make sorry guys for the term or making this kind of quickie to the other main character wherein they are exes. So that particular moment I just really it's kind of a loophole because they didn't check it. And you know, have you realized that the character says, "No, I left you, but I didn't cheat on you." And then, as we all know, that the movie goes along, he or she committed to other person, right? So that's the one that I didn't like about the movie. And I love the evolving of Joshua and Julia because it's they are now on the level of maturity doing a movie. So it's no guys and girls, this is no longer a teeny bopper one or a cute one. So it's a mature one. What did you say? Which one? You're... Okay, hold on. Yeah, you can practice other angles. No, don't be... you can hold other one. Okay. Are you okay now, Direct? Okay, thank you very much. It's still working, Direct? So how many minutes we are now?
8.
8 minutes? Oh gosh, it's some kind of a short, but I think we have been talking so much. Anyway, guys, what else should I say about the movie? I really love the way they attack, the way they give emphasize on each menu. They have a story behind the menu. I love that, guys and girls. You know what I mean? Which particular menu that you really want?
Yeah. That time they were
Yeah.
the special drink that he made, and
The character that
the character that made it, and that character somehow connected it to the character's experience.
Yes. You know what? Don't be so bitter, guys and girls. And then do not let your business turn, or do not let your business dissolve just because you are being in love. So always priority. You know her? You can invite us here.
Sa aga. Sa aga. Oo. Di ka ma-late. 6, di ba? Iya, oy, 5:45 kita maali. 5:45. Ma, 6 nga po on.
Wait, hold on. Direct. So, are we still on the go?
Yeah.
So, what else? How about you? Would you like to add something about this movie? Can you recall other scenes that you really love? What made you think about the movie? Why is it that you fell in love again? Ano yung pinaka-nagustuhan mo doon? Anong nagustuhan mo doon sa ano? Naka-relate ka ba doon? Ano, yun ang may kurot sa puso sa'yo? How about you? Would you like to add something? Try forgetting something.
Sakit.
And then I also love the flashbacks. And then, guys and gals, they made Julia young again. Because this is a No, not a tricky line. This is a 2 versions, but actually they put in on one film. What I'm trying to say, guys, they have flashbacks that I'm trying to say. There's a one short hair of Julia, so she really looks like looks like a teenager. And then what I don't like in this one, guys, and they are eating sile, or how do we call that in English? Chili. So it's really not a real one that they are chewing it, because once you're chewing the real one, you will have this kind of your face like being smoky, and then you will have lots of sweats on your foreheads, and then your eyes will turn into red, and then you will have this kind of runny nose. So they just make it only for cinematic effect, but I want them to make them the next time to make it more realistic, a real silly. Anyway, so because they are not the real Bicolanos, that's why. So that's the only loopholes that I've noticed. So guys and girls, Star Cinema next time, make sure that your actors study the language of the places that you've been filming. It will be more appreciative on the moviegoers like us. And that's it. I love it, and there are some unpredictable moments. Well, what I'm trying to say is, when you are thinking that this would happen, it's not. So maybe. So hold on. So I'm gonna hold it direct for you. So guys and girls, thank you so much for watching. So there we are. So 13 minutes. So before we end, make some shout outs, guys and girls. Thank you for guessing on my show, the 4 of you. So let's do the first. Our third runner up, Miss Universe. Do you have some shout outs or any shows to promote?
Shout out. Kay Miriam.
Yeah, get well soon, Miriam.
Oh, get well soon, Miriam.
Mm-mm.
Santo Domingo.
Okay. And how about you, second runner up? No, the second runner up.
Okay.
The Alma Moreno of San Roque, Legazpi City. Shout out.
Shout out dyan sa Barangay 32,
Mm-mm.
San Roque, sa Kuya Giraray na haki.
Yeah.
Hindi ko nasama sa road na medyo...
No, it's okay. You have all the time. You have the TV program allow you to promote for something.
Ko, si Gabriel, si
Be my guest.
Yeah. Si, Gabriel, Stephanie, Freya,
Yes, come on.
Francis,
Yeah. Take your time.
Isabel,
Yes.
Hasmin Denise,
Yes.
Rain,
Mhm.
and Amir.
Okay. Family name, tell the family name.
Carito, Espanya, Carito and Des family.
Okay. So do you have to promote, do you want to promote for something? Do you have shows?
No more shows.
Why? Why is it Alma Moreno?
Medyo kasi kaya na lang muna.
Okay. So you wanna quit showbiz?
Marami na akong pera.
Oh, wow. But but you're not quitting showbiz.
marami kila rin utang.
Oh, hold on. But you're not quitting?
Quitting na muna.
Okay.
Ako na muna ng mga pera.
Wow.
Stay sa bahay.
Wow. Where is it? In LA?
And so
Source Lagon, not in LA. Okay. And how about you, first runner-up, Miss Universe?
Grade 10
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm. Please louder your voice.
shout out for my friend and Travis and Mama T, Sean, Yao,
Please louder your voice.
Lolo, tapos Gaing, Subscribe. Kumusta na kami dyan?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What else?
And for my Tito Yao,
Mm-hmm.
Jaja, and Tito Jenny.
Mm-hmm. Quickly, do it quickly, please. We're running out of time. We have still commercials. Okay. That would be all? Okay. So how about you, the one and only Miss Universe 2024?
Shout out kay Alpea Jomar, John Roy, Mikey Joji, Christian J, si Jaymar, miss ko na kayo, and shout out din kay Princess, please don't be late tomorrow. That's all.
Okay. Thank you so much. So, are you having guys have fun on watching a movie? You learn something and you get inspired? Okay. So, happy feeling guys?
Yes.
I can't hear you. Happy feelings.
Happy?
Okay, why is it that medyo?
The movie is kinda hurt.
Okay, that's why. But it's some kind of yeah, but it's some kind of realistic.
Pala, shout out pa pala ako.
Sige.
Shout out for my crush.
Wow.
Yes,
Hmm.
friend.
Okay, so that would be all for now, guys and gals. Thank you for guessing on my show. I hope you will come back again. Bye for now.
Bye.
Thank you so much for watching.